Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you quickly and easily how to gather nitrate powder in 7 days to die. So the beginning option is to find these corpses on the roads and using a knife, a bone knife or a machete in my case, go ahead and harvest them, and this is going to yield you some little nitrate powder. The second and better option is to look at a map and go ahead and search around the areas where you have been already, and now just look at the map and find these white squares which are going to indicate the nitrate powder's location. Go ahead and right click on it and select the quick waypoint to make sure you can see it on your compass. Now once you see it, just go ahead and go towards it. And once you've arrived, it is going to look like these kind of white crystals. And before you start mining, go to the skills menu, go to strength tab, and inside of the construction perks, make sure you've got the miner and mother load to the fullest level, because this is going to increase the yield of the ore that you mine and also increase the damage of your tool. So now just pick out your pickaxe and go ahead and mine it. And as you can see, it is going to yield you a lot of nitrate powder. So this is pretty much all how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.